I show you around. And this is the castle in city of Budapest. And guys, it's a lot of people here. It's a lot of tourists and different people from different country to come here and visit this castle here in Budapest. And you know what, guys? I tried something trending siya na bread, I think, or cake, but I don't really remember what is that name. And I don't have that pictures, but guys, expensive a little bit, but it tastes good. And napakaganda
Hi,
pala dito,
welcome to
guys.
my vlog.
As Bisayang Lagan, Laya here in Hungary. I show you around in Budapest Castle in the city of Hungary. And guys, sorry if my voice because I do not feel very well. So today it's my off day, so I will voice over a small short video. Guys, I'm here in Budapest Castle, so I suggest if you visit in Hungary, must visit this place, guys. And hindi talaga kayo magsisisi because it's very beautiful. This old castle in Hungary, and a lot of tourists coming here and visit. And this is the outside looks, guys. And must go here, really go here. I suggest you to go maybe just night. You can see the view of night, and you go visit day also here at daytime because so that you can see a daytime views. And sorry to my videos and my picture, guys, so hindi talaga siya ganun kaganda sa pagkuha ko. So if I were you, come and visit here and look around. But in person, ang ganda-ganda niya talaga. It's very beautiful. But in my video, I didn't take very nice video and pictures. But in a real, kapag nagpunta kayo rito, it's so beautiful, guys. Really. And this time that I came here is, I think is winter. Kasi malamig siya, guys. Siguro winter siya. Pero anyway, guys, ang daming mga tourists na iba-ibang nationality that they came here and visit here in the castle in Hungary, in the city of Hungary, in Budapest. So guys, I suggest really this place if you want to go with your friends or with your family or with your loved ones. You can come here in this place, and it's very beautiful sa personal talaga. Na doon sa castle pala, guys, if you want to see the overlooking, you can eat in dining in the restaurant, but I tell you guys, it's very expensive really if you want to go inside, but expensive but worth it. Ayun lang, guys, thank you so much, bye bye.